Columns are used to split a section into multiple areas so you can place content side by side. Click where you want to add columns. A plus icon will appear on the left. Click the plus icon and choose Columns element from the Layouts options. Click the Added Column and Columns menu. 3 dots will appear on the top left. Click the 3 dots to open the column menu. From this menu, you can change the background color, border color, and thickness of each column. You can also add new columns to the right or delete individual ones. Try changing the column color. Then change the border color as well. Adjust the border thickness to make it bolder. Now, add another column on the right. You can create up to 4 columns in one row. Here you can delete columns one by one. Open the Columns Group 3 dots menu on the top right to change the alignment, right, center, or left. Just a heads up, clicking Delete block here will delete the whole columns.